Welcome to our tutorial on connecting Power BI to a SQL database. This is a fundamental step for powerful data analysis. Why should you connect Power BI to your SQL database? It allows you to leverage real-time data and perform complex visualizations and reporting. Before starting, ensure you have Power BI Desktop installed, access to your SQL Server instance, and the necessary database access rights. First, open Power BI Desktop. In the Home tab, click on Get Data to start the connection process. From the list of data sources, select SQL Server Database. This will open a new connection window. In the connection window, you'll need to enter the server name and the optional database name. You can also paste an SQL query here. Choose your data connectivity mode. Import brings data into Power BI, while Direct Query keeps the data in SQL, querying it live. Next, you need to select the appropriate authentication method to connect to your SQL Server. Windows Authentication uses your current Windows credentials for a seamless and secure connection, often preferred in corporate environments. Alternatively, database authentication requires a specific username and password configured within your SQL Server database. After successful authentication, the Navigator window appears. Here, you select the tables or views you want to load into Power BI. You can either load the selected data directly or click Transform Data to open Power Query Editor for cleaning and shaping your data before loading. Congratulations! Your SQL data is now connected and ready for you to create compelling visualizations and reports in Power BI.